Hey everybody, this is Colin Gelfer with Atrium, and I wanted to share a quick industry perspective on the medtech industry. It's an industry we work really closely with here at Atrium. And for those of you who don't know, we're a consulting partner that's focused on helping clients take a data-driven approach to CRM. And as I mentioned, one of those industries that we partner with really closely is the medtech industry or med device. And one of the areas that we've been helping clients with is around this notion of how can they get better visibility in their supply chain and address those issues from a customer service perspective. So, interesting stat here from some of the research that we've seen is, over a 10-year period, supply shocks can cost a medtech company 38% of 1 year's earnings. So, pretty dramatic impact. Obviously, companies, and not just medtech companies, but really a lot of different industries have been wrestling with supply chain challenges for the past year to 18 months during the COVID pandemic. Now, what's interesting when we think about supply chain challenges, those issues are going to get reflected and essentially dropped in the lap of your customer service team. And so we want to arm that team with the right visibility and insights so they can take action and address those issues. And hopefully, reduce some of their operational costs, their overall cost to serve, maybe in some cases, reduce expedited freight and drive an overall better customer experience, hopefully improve Net Promoter Scores or CSAT scores. Now, in terms of use cases, one of the first areas to start is WISMO, or where is my order? And having better visibility into where an order is in its life cycle, and is that going to result in a potential customer service issue? Often people call into your call center or contact center when an order or shipment's going to be late or you're out of stock. And so how do we use analytics to help reinforce our call deflection strategy? We can also use some of the predictive capabilities within Einstein to look at things like propensity for a late ship, using some of the analytics capabilities to assess our overall NPS. Another use case where we see a lot of interest with customers these days is this notion of a customer health score, or some type of composite score that tells me how I'm trending overall with my customer and our relationship. Certainly, a lot of our customers are using analytics capabilities with Tableau and Einstein to look at how they're performing in terms of SLAs and case resolution, and then the ability to provide more prescriptive knowledge to resolve issues faster. Again, no shortage of great use cases to drive a more efficient call center to address some of your supply chain challenges. If you'd like to learn more, please contact us at info@atrium.ai. And thanks for joining.